What's going on, bro?
You know, we out here trying to make some.
Tamal faces. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry
How do you say Merry Christmas in Tamil?
Merry Christmas. Ponnu icykle.
Okay, where's the recipe? You don't know how to make this. No, I'm not eating if it tastes disgusting, Pavisha. You don't follow a video? You don't have like the steps to read and do?
No. Alright, you read.
இப்போ நாங்க apple தமிழ்ல எப்படி சொல்றது? Apple பழம்.
Apple.
ஆனா இப்ப நான் பானல்ல.
No, man. There's an actual Tamil name for apple. Hey, Google. What's the Tamil word for apple?
Here is your translation.
Here. There it is.
What is it? Show me.
Apple.
See?
What?
Apple.
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 Apple. Oh, no. Here it is.
How do you say apple pie?
Urupalam.
Urupalam.
Urupalam. Okay, we're going to do Urupalam pie.
Kannin karumani. Kannin karumani.
Kanni karumani. Okay.
That's the order. You
Okay.
put that in the fridge for 1 hour and then you start this. Get the apple, put the sugar, do this, do that.
Okay.
Okay.
So today we have Chef Pavishan.
Yeah, we in the house. We in the house.
Tamil, please.
நாங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ள இருக்கிறோம்.
Okay. நான் என்ன செய்யறேன்? நான் இப்ப apples தூவது.
No.
How do you say peel in Tamil?
கிள்ளி the apple.
சும்மா கிளிக்க.
Kill the apple, okay? Oh, kill the
கிளிக்க
apple.
போறேன்.
Wait. I've got my hat.
Okay, நான் இப்ப Ow! Pavishan! By the
I want my
way,
hair back and forth. I want my hair back and forth.
this
Okay,
guy's
sorry.
name is Pasta. I'm just gonna call him Pasta, okay? He's
Cool.
a
Back
baby cow.
to programming. Don't mess up my hat, bro.
Yo, ow! My makeup, yo!
Sorry.
Screw your apple pie!
Sorry. Come, friends, come back here. Is the hat okay?
My man. He's been trained. He's been trained.
கண் கவனம் இந்த கண்.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, நான் இப்பொழுது நான்
Okay.
ஆப்பிள் பழம்
Where's my phone?
சீவரன் சீவிட்டு பீஸா விட்ட போறேன். இவர் மா எடுத்து என்ன செய்ய போறேன்?
மாப்பன் கிண்டு போறேன்.
கை கலவினியா?
2 cups and a half.
2.5 2 plus
இரண்டாவது அரை.
என்ன செய்றீங்க?
And 1/2. Hold on. So that was 2 cups.
By the way, guys, it's 12:05 a.m. Okay, so this is past
Actually,
midnight.
it's 12.
I said 12:05 a.m. Just want to make apple pie for whatever reason. Pasta was supposed to grab ice cream for this, but he forgot.
I was supposed to make it.
Oh yeah, he was supposed to make it.
Technical difficulties.
I have so many apples. How many apples are you supposed to cut? Can I eat it while I cut it?
Sure.
An apple a day.
We got some flour
keeps
left
the
over.
doctor away. Yo, you look like the Grinch when I put this apple next to you.
Yo, which is salt?
That's sugar.
Sure.
Seeni edu uppu adu.
1 tablespoon of salt.
You're sure you're taking the right tablespoon, right? That's teaspoon. Day.
Sorry, teaspoon.
Oh.
We need some butter.
We kanaka rapid.
Where's the butter?
1 minute. We back, yeah.
It
Fine.
doesn't taste good. You're gonna take it home and eat it all by yourself.
It's fine. I'll give it a hero. I'm mixing some butter into
But
the
ivar
dough.
maavaram butteram nasichu nella soft
Nasichu.
How do you say soft in Tamil?
Yeah, I need water. I need 8
You need
tablespoons.
ice water, no?
Well, I need 8 tablespoons.
Yo, you're following a recipe and not even following it. You know what I mean? Like you're just doing your own thing.
TBS is tablespoon, right?
Yeah.
Making sure. Wait, I forgot how much tablespoons I put in this. I'm gonna say 4. We'll put 4 more. But some of Tanya is good for you.
I'm not drinking apple soup, okay?
Kunda
No, not kunda
poren.
poren in the flour, seeni and butter and nella. Not
Kunda
kunda poren.
So far, I put
I didn't know put panninadhu theriyadhu avradhu.
2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, butter, a stick and a half,
And the half
And
kilo of
eight,
it.
and 8 teaspoons of water. For some reason, this doesn't look right.
I think we should just eat apples today. Forget the pie.
I'm going to McDonald's.
Use all those workouts you did and smush it. There you go.
Yeah, cut them. Start cutting.
Oh yeah. I'm like watching. Follow this. Apple chinna pieces are Yo, I need to work out. I can't cut the apple. Ah. Oh my god! Oh my god! So, Pastor, how small should I be cutting these apples?
You're not supposed to cut them that small, but I mean.
Why though? I don't like chunks of apple in my apple pie.
Then cut them small.
Okay.
Yeah, we fisted. We fisted. Smush it.
Yo! Fully green, man.
Is it good?
What is this? So, what can you cook?
Anything and everything.
We'll see today with that. Okay, what's next, Pastor? Pastor, stop eating.
Where'd it go? Guys, 3 more apples. Have a bite.
It's so sour, yo. Is this better be sweet or you're eating this all by yourself?
3/4 cups of sugar.
3-4 cups of sugar. Or 3-4 cups?
Here, so.
Okay. 3-4? 3/4.
3/4.
Dude, there's a 3/4 cup, yo.
No, there isn't.
Yo, man, I know what I have here at home. Look, what is
So we need 3 of these.
Okay, I know that. I did math before. I know.
Prince, stop! Stop! Please
I'm
stop!
not putting that in there.
couldn't
No,
be
just
it.
stop, man. Let me just do it.
6 hours later.
Okay, the next round I will listen to you.
2 tablespoons of flour.
Flower.
Ma. Poo.
Alright, half teaspoon, right?
Half teaspoon.
Okay, it's going in. Salt, right?
Yeah, salt.
Okay, what's next?
1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Can you open this for me? Which one's cinnamon? No,
Cinnamon.
you didn't even label it.
No, that's not cinnamon.
Can you say this ingredient again? How do you
No,
say it?
I can't.
Say it.
No, I can't.
My fans want to hear you say
Guys,
it.
I can't
So
say it.
Just say it.
I can't say it.
It's okay, just say it.
Cinnamon. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Tablespoon illadane.
Yeah, teaspoon.
Mari vaasik illadane.
Kottu.
Okay.
You can do it more time. Sammana.
Can you stop that behavior?
இது போடு அதுக்குள்ள.
How much? How much? 1 teaspoon in this one.
1/4 of a teaspoon.
1/4 though. What is that? Can you tell people what that is?
Nutmeg.
Okay.
What?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Okay, well, guys, we need lemon.
Yo, this actually smells good.
We don't have lemon.
You wanna try it raw, yo?
Hold on, we don't have lemon, so we're gonna give you this.
What are you gonna substitute?
Yeah, eat it raw. Eat it raw. Both you guys right now. Eat it raw. Let's see.
I
Oh,
don't want
No,
it.
no.
you guys are horrible.
Why'd you eat it?
A little bit of water.
You hear me?
Why you putting water?
You're supposed to. Because we don't have lemon. We didn't. You don't remember?
Oh.
So when I use this,
So you put water instead of lemon?
yeah.
It's not even a substitute. Wanna come? It is about 12:54.
Even I'm going to sprinkle on the bottom.
Look at the apple in its own juice. What are you doing?
I am making the dough very soft. Rolling.
Rolling, roly, poly, yeah, 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 yeah. Roly, poly, roly, roll, roll.
I don't know.
Roll.
It was a
Why are we doing this? Why did we decide to do this tomorrow? Why are we doing this right now? When everyone is sleeping.
We're gonna go off the board.
Really? Why are you breathing so hard?
Huh?
Why are you breathing so hard? Kind of like doing a workout or something.
Grab the paper. Grab the paper.
Which paper?
This paper right
I'm
here.
coming the other way.
Hold down.
Do you need 2 people to make apple pie?
Give me that. Hold on. Take this. Take this. Take this. Take this.
I don't think you need 2 in there.
No, we need to. Fine, we'll make a dosa. There's other people who make dosa.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪೊಡಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಡಿಲಾದ.
And
Put this on top of this and then இப்படி போடலாம் நானே. ஏன் கையை பாக்குறேன்.
who wants to see me do a spin?
No, it's okay. We spent too much time on this to salvage it. Did you wash your hands all the way to your wrist?
Yeah.
Imagine me funny.
I'm going to McDonald's for sure.
There's a water in there.
Yeah, there's water here too. Look what you're doing. There's 2 waters here.
Okay, you know what? Guys, that's enough.
We need sleep. Oh my god, there's a water, man.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We'll patch it up.
Okay. What are you, a car mechanic?
Actually, guys.
Yes.
Nah.
Put a plug in there, yo.
We'll plug it
Guys,
out.
if you ever need your car fixed,
I'm not the guy to go to.
call Pastor at
not.
416.
I am not the guy to go to.
If I give you his number, he's probably going to change it in the next few seconds. So, you know.
If anybody finds out my number, that's it. Every
Yeah,
week
that's all
I
right.
change.
That's all right.
Guys, I change my number every week, so don't even
He
bother.
also repeats what everyone else says.
Yes, that's a fact.
Plagiarism.
That's a fact.
Okay, can I put the apple? We are like Santa's elves, guys.
Santa's elves?
So,
Little helpers?
not
She's the help, not me. Keep me out of this one. Yes, please.
okay, இப்பொழுது நான் இந்த நான் கலக்கிறேன்னா நீயும் கதை. Okay, இப்பொழுது நான் இந்த மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி இந்த ஆப்பிளும் என்ன சினமன் அண்ட் நட்மெக ஊற்ற போறேன் இந்த கரமாமக்குள்ள இந்த what is this pie in the baseல சரியோ பாருங்க. Alright, so thank God we didn't put all the apples we cut because that would just be too much apple. No, it'll become thick when it's baking.
I don't think so. We'll see.
Huh?
I don't think so, but
I
we'll
don't know. I
see.
think Pasta's gonna eat this all by himself. Yo, let me even it out. What am I doing? See it. That's good, guys. I have high hopes for this.
Grab the paper, grab the paper.
What paper?
Grab that paper, grab the paper, grab the paper, grab the paper.
Okay. Yo, why? Why didn't you move it more this way? Okay. What would you do without me, Pasta?
I don't know.
Yeah, I know. This pie looks like something else. Guys, this is really late, so we are doing just random stuff at this point.
Guys, it's
Enjoy.
like 2 in the morning. Now we're just doing random stuff.
Day. Why are you putting sugar?
Me too.
You ate this, serio?
Okay, now we're gonna cut it very straight.
In a knife? No, I wanted to do it. It's too late in the night.
Okay, Pru, you don't go crazy, just a little bit.
What do you mean? What do you mean going crazy? You have to do 4 lines. There. Yo, why are you doing that? Okay, yo, it's ready, yo. My oven is ready. We preheated the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit, guys. And how long did you put this in here? Careful, Rajiv.
40 minutes. Half a minute.
Top. You push it all the way to the back.
No, leave it in there.
No, it only cooks if you push it all the way to the back. Trust me, it won't cook otherwise. Alright, how long does that cook for? I put the timer on. This is 55 minutes of being in the oven.
Yeah, man, it's cooked.
How was it? Alright guys, so I'm going to try this and give my review. Oh, good.
There we go. Yeah.
It's as good as McDonald's. For how sour the apples were, it's pretty good.
You gotta try it.
But we need ice cream. You said you're gonna make ice cream.
That's one over there. That was tutorial number 2.
Alright guys, good night. I'm tired.